Yo, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time, welcome. Appreciate you for stopping through. My name is Olu. This is Olumighty's Futures, and we're currently looking at gold GC1. It's currently March or April 5th, 10:11 p.m. at night. I like looking at the charts. I like looking at gold around this time because gold be moving. Gold has been giving me like some of the best setups around this time. So I think this is like a kind of the new time I like to come and look at gold now. And then I'll try to get some sleep, wake up early enough to go to the gym, and then come back at 7 a.m. for a New York session. But if I can get a good trade, then sometimes I don't like to trade New York session if I get a good trade at night, the night before. So this is a 15-minute demand, but I narrowed it down to this low probability 5-minute demand here. These gaps have already been filled and everything, but if we can get a tap in, I'm still going to get in on the break of the 5-minute candle, only because I'm looking at this 15, and this is a clean 15 high probability demand, but I don't want to try to answer on a 15-minute candle. So I'm going to wait for it to touch this zone, see what happens, see if we get a good rejection, and then I'll just go in for longs on the break of the candle, or the previous candle. And we'll see if we can try to get like a little 1-to-1, maybe a little over 1-to-1. I'm trying to risk less than $400, maybe like $350 or something, just to make, I think that's what I want to check to see how much I needed to complete this challenge, because I don't want to make too much, don't want to make too little. I'm trying to get this on the head and be done with it. Initialize dopamine delivery. Boy, Lucid do some different stuff. I need y'all to hear this. Damn, get on the screen. Oh my gosh, bro. %40 off. I'm playing on Pro and Flex Evals. Okay, claim reward. Yeah, Lucid be on some different stuff, bro. I haven't traded with a lot of prop firms, but I like what Lucid be doing. We're still, yeah, see how price reject. Waiting for it to come down to the zone, man. Alright, so if y'all are not new here, you guys know what happens when the screen looks like this and the voice over kicks in. So as you know, I was waiting in front of the computer for a hell for the trade to finally develop. So we're just going to go ahead and skip over straight to that entry. I like to cut a lot of BS out and try to keep y'all entertained as much as possible. So let's go ahead into our entry that got us funded. Alright, and as you can see here, I'm being extremely precise with my entry. I'm looking at Trading because TradingView is showing me spreads and it's kind of messing up my entry, but we got in at a good point. Okay, so I'm in for longs on gold. We broke the candle here on Trading, so that's what I was looking at. So this is where we're at. We're at a 1 to 2.36. Damn. Really wasn't going for that high of an RR, but that's cool because my risk is pretty low. I'm risking like less than $300, so that's cool. Just for a little 1 to 2, a little over 1 to 2 to hit my target, I'll take that. So even if I do lose what $200-300, then it's not like a big, like, it's not like a super huge deal as far as trying to recover from that. But this is a pretty clean looking demand zone, so I mean, I have faith in the trade. If it doesn't play out, then that's cool too. Alright, y'all, so you already know what time it is. So I just kind of wanted to bring y'all, I can't even speak. I just kind of wanted to bring y'all to the entry point. Just kind of see how, you know, what my mindset was behind the entry, behind the trade. You know, I like to always capture my emotions on camera when I'm entering trades, kind of see how I'm feeling and everything. I feel like that is valid information for you guys as well. But I'm going to go ahead and speed past this. I was waiting for so long for this trade to finally move into profit. It literally almost stopped me out twice, like literally by like maybe a couple points, two different occasions. But I stayed in that trade and we finally saw it through to the end to get to TP. So I'm just going to fast forward and try to maybe capture some of the highlights because I did step away from the computer for a while. I'll let y'all babysit the trade for a little minute. I was checking in every now and again, but I'll just try to fast forward through some of the highlights. All right, y'all. So I decided not to go to the store, but I see how this was playing out. I'm like, this is looking crazy. But that's cool. I ain't really tripping on it. After this, I'm gonna just shut the computer off for show and just wait till the morning, see what New York session gives us. Cause this is starting to look crazy. But like I said, I'm not mad that I took it. It was still a 15-minute demand zone here, so and the 15-minute looks pretty clean. I guess with it being low probability, it was just, I don't know. It's still trying to play out. Man, gold is really just that instrument that will just put you on an emotional roller coaster, because that was the first time that happened, and it happened again. Almost took me out of my stop loss, and I just ended up holding through it, man. I just ended up staying strong. Didn't micromanage my trade. Didn't get scared out of my position. Just held it. Yeah, this is not looking good. We just broke a candle low here. Alright, so right here, I really want the beginner traders to pay attention to what's actually going on right now. So I'm literally about to be stopped out. I'm about to be funded, about to be stopped out of my position, but I'm literally just holding strong, just waiting on the charts to just do what I needed to do. I'm not panicking. I'm not trying to close my trade. I'm just watching. That's how you need to be steadfast in every trade, win or lose. A new 5-minute candle just printed. Did we get a new 5-minute candle? Oh, I guess we did. I wasn't even paying attention. Oh yeah, I'm tripping. That was the new 5-minute. I'm tripping. Yeah. Well, if we can get this candle to close bullish like this and just get a clean break and some momentum, then we could push into profit. We could push to our TP. And if we do, would you realize how close we came to getting stopped out, but didn't get stopped out twice? But we'll just wait for the trade to play out. Okay, I'm back, y'all. I was kind of in and out the room, kind of seeing the trade. See that we're in profit here, but it looks like it's still struggling to move to our goal. Okay, y'all, so it looks like we're deep in profit. So now this is the point where we start managing our trade. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put my stop loss right at break even, a little bit above break even. We always even on live accounts, challenges, live accounts, we're gonna walk away with a couple of dollars, because we're gonna at least cover some commissions and whatnot. So at this point, I'll just leave the trade, let it continue to run until we hit TP. And if we hit TP, we pass our challenge. My bad about that sound, y'all. That's what I was trying to avoid. But yeah, so like I said, I'm still kind of busy, so I'll be back. I'll just be watching the trade, but I'll let you guys babysit it for me a little bit too. Be right back. Man, look at. No, I need y'all to see my face for this. Look at the utter disrespect, bro. Y'all do this at my stop loss, and then y'all doing this at my TP. Like, what is we doing, bro? What are we doing, bro? Gold, what are we doing, bro? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move my stop loss under this low right here. We're just managing the trade. But like, come on, bro. I know you finna hit this TP. Just go ahead and hit this TP and stop edging, bro. Because I'm still in the kitchen. I'm still kind of busy doing stuff. But this shit is ridiculous.
Order filled.
All right, y'all. So it literally look at that. It hit TP and got me out, and literally just went right back down. So we have passed our challenge, y'all. 50K funded. We are officially funded. So now the real work starts. Well, let me at least go check first. Welcome to the channel, guys. I don't know why I'm saying that. I've been recording for this whole time, but I don't know. I might break this up into a separate video, so I don't know. Bear with me. If I don't edit this into separate videos, I might be looking stupid talking like this, but please just bear with this. Okay, so I just completed my evaluation. Literally, gold kind of really took me most of the way. I had a couple wins on MNQ, but gold, supply and demand, that was it. That was it. 5 days, as you can see. So, finally made it, bro. Finally made it. This is my first time getting funded. I knew I would make it here. No, I'm not finna do that. I'm not finna cry, bro. We finna upgrade this shit. Whoa, okay. So, yeah. I forgot. Yeah, there's some KYC, I guess, stuff I gotta fill out. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get this taken care of. And then we'll be back. Within 5 minutes. Okay, so I guess I gotta wait 5 minutes before my funded account is actually active. But we're funded, y'all. I appreciate y'all for watching the journey, bro. It took us, what, 5 trading days? Now, you probably didn't see every single trade because I didn't record every single trade. Some bangers I didn't get to record, but we're here. We made it. This is just the beginning. We still have to get through the funded rules to get to our payouts, but this is the first step, y'all. So we're just going to remain consistent and do what we do. Like, with these trades, like I said, I mean, this was just a little over 1 to 2, so that's not super bad. 1 to 2s are what I go for. So if I was going strictly for 1 to 2, I would have been done with this trade, right? I would have been done right here. But I was just trying to get that last little bit out of the way for just to get funded. So, and go ahead. I'm telling y'all, man. If y'all, I'm not telling y'all to watch my journey, but I'm telling y'all, man, this is where we at. Y'all should follow along. Y'all should watch. Y'all should make some money with me. If you want me to like make a video about, like, if you want me to break down my strategy, I can do like a 30-minute, hour-long video of how I trade and break it down. But for now, this is the end of the video. If y'all made it this far, I appreciate y'all for watching. We're gonna be dropping more bangers, more videos very soon. So just stay tuned, and I got y'all. Deuces.